mais. Makahiwalay yung napakamura. Hello guys, good afternoon. So naglubo ko og mais. Ara, duha ka mais. Lubo. Basta yung ihiwalay yung ito sa kakaw. Lubo man. And i-share ko pala sa inyo yung rason kung bakit ako nag-Thailand. Diba, 2 times ako nag-Thailand. Una yung kaming dalawa ni Lian. Tapos sa pangalawa is ako lang mag-isa. Nung unang punta namin ng Thailand is it's because of my visa. I went here in Vietnam using tourist visa for 3 months. And then I need to extend it again for 3 months. That is why I went to Thailand. I mean, we went to Thailand. That's why. So, pagbalik ko dito is extended na yung ano ko. Yung visa for 3 months again. Asa na to? And then, at the same time, it's also a tourist visa. So, ayun. And then, diba, second time around, ako lang mag-isa yung pumunta ng Thailand. It's because of my visa again. And bakit ako lang mag-isa? It's because magagastusan kami if dalawa kaming pupunta. Kasi yung airfare, yung hotel accommodation, food. And another reason is kung bakit ako lang mag-isa is because he is busy. Super busy, guys. Hindi ko alam kung nasabi ko na ba sa inyo, but he is an English teacher here in Vietnam. And he's been teaching here for almost 3 years or 4 years. I think 4. And that's why. And that's it. That's the reason why I went to Thailand. So, by the way, ganahan ko sa mais. Lulutuin natin to and then tawag na pabukalan ba? Para muhumok. And then, lalagyan natin ng cheese and mayonnaise. Hindi yung cheese powder ha. Yung cheese na ilalagay ko is parang cheddar cheese ata yun. Cheddar? Yeah, I think so. Basta. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. And this is it. Look. Tiding! Kita nyo ba? Yarn. And ano pa ba yung i-share ko sa inyo? Sa susunod na ulit ako mag-share ng mga important. I don't think so if I'll share it. Because jinx, you know. Jinx. Ayoko kasing sinishare sa iba yung mga pangyayari sa buhay ko unless it's true, unless it's already happening. Ayokong i-share yung mga mangyayari pa lang. Ganun. Kasi, ayun na nga, yung mga evil eye, alam niyo na yun. And then, that's all guys. See you again later. If matapos ko na to. Ayan, ikaduhan na mais. Na oy, ganahan ko mais. I love mais super. Parang anagun pa man siya. And I bought this for 19k BND. Duha na kabuok. 19k. 19? Yeah, 19. 19k. And then, dako pa dyan siya, guys. Siya nga anong. So, if you're asking, ang Vietnam, mura na siya It's just like Philippines. The crops that they have here is just the same in our country. Mais, papaya, what else? Yung mga lemon, kalabasa, same lang. But the problem is, ang mahal niyan dito ang mahal ng mga bilihin ng mga ganyan dyan sa Pinas. Diba? And dito is napakamura lang. As in, yung ano dito, yung bigas. Ay, nako. Napakamura. Yung mga binibili ko, mga 3 kilos, I think, nasa ano lang siya. 100K. 100K VND. O, diba? Pero yung 3 kilos dyan sa Pinas, I think, 150 or more. Diba? Yung mga humay. I think. And sa yung pinakamalaki na bills dito sa Vietnam is 1 million VND. And then sa Pilipinas naman is 1,000. So kung i-compare natin yung dalawa, mas marami kang mabibili sa 1 million VND dito sa Vietnam compare sa 1,000 dyan sa Pinas. Kunti lang yung mabibili mo sa 1,000 mo dyan sa Pinas. Dito sa Vietnam ay ang dami. Ay nako. Ano na bang nangyari sa ating bansaers? Ayan, look. Oo nga pala. I'm so thrilled, guys, na 1,000 subscribers na tayo. OMG. Sobrang, I think it's around 1.8 now. 1.8. Kaya, thank you so much, guys, for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, if ever you're watching. Above all, thank you, Lord, for making this possible for me. Thank you for the 1,000 subs. And counting, hopefully. I don't know, I just prayed for this last time na sana before 2024 ends ay maka 1,000 subscribers ako. And then, boom! I woke up with the 1,000 subscribers. I'm so glad. I'm so happy. As in, yung pagising ko, pagtingin ko sa phone ko, oh my God, it's 1,000. Kaya thank you so much everyone for supporting me. I hope you continue to support me sa akong kabuangan. Ay, biskot ko eh. Saan na to? Ito na yung mais natin. Nilagyan ko ng margarine at saka cheese pero hindi halata. Kunti lang kasi yung nilagay ko na cheese. Pero yung margarine madami. Ayan. Siguro lagyan ko rin to ng potato. May potato yan. Ito. And yan, lulutuin ko yan. Priprituhin. What do you think, guys? Should I add potato or not? Ayan. So, nilagay ko yung mashed potato. And guys, ang sarap niya, promise. Try nyo. Corn, and then margarine, cheese, and mashed potato and salt. A little bit of salt. Ang sarap nyo. And then, i-partner nyo sa ito. Sarap, yummers. Okay, I am back. I'm finally done cooking the food tonight. Brown jud niya akong mga Anong under eye? This is called under eye. Dark under eye. Not dark, it's brown. It's because of the genes. This is genetics. Anyway, ano pa ba yung isi-share ko sa inyo? Yeah, I really couldn't believe that it's almost 2025 na. It's December 16 right now. 17. December 17 na. Oh my God, Christmas is coming. And yung birthday pala ni Lian, it's December 24. Kaya lang, he hates surprise. He hates surprising him. And on his birthday, I think he's gonna be working. So, gusto ko sana siyang i-surprise. Just like what I did last time. Last 2023 December. I surprised him. But he doesn't like surprising. I don't know. Maybe ganyan talaga yung mga lalaki, no? Especially foreigner. But I have a gift for him. And it's a secret. Anyway, guys, hindi ako masyadong nilalamig today. But it's really cold outside, you know. May nabasa ako, yung lamig dito, for example, dito is 10 degree. So, yung 10 degree dito, sa Europe ay 0 degree. No. Yeah, 0 degree na siya. It means, mas malamig ang winter dito. Except pag nagsusnow. Yeah. Pag 0, yung level ng lamig, that's what I mean. Yung level ng lamig is pang 0 degree na pag sa Europe. Pero dito is 10 degree lang. 10 degrees Celsius. So, I hope you understand it. Kung gaano kalamig, as in, every time I go out, I'm shivering. Like, it's because of the humidity po, bandog bugnaw ka diri, and the cold air. Oh my God. The cold air is really, really, really crazy, you know. Anyway, I have Christmas lights here. I'm still waiting for some of my materials to arrive, the Christmas decorations, and then I'm gonna vlog it. So we'll wait for it. I think that's all. Na-share ko naman sa inyo kung bakit ako pabalik-balik sa Thailand, and that's it, guys. I think I'm gonna end the vlog. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye!